Simon Thompson, Vice President and Wealth Advisor at Texas Legacy Wealth Management. Welcome to our monthly market update for September 2014. We're going to walk through the major market events of the month. Securities offered through LPL Financial, member FINRA SIPC, investment advice offered through Texas Legacy Wealth Management, a registered investment advisor and separate entity from LPL Financial. September started with the S&P 500 opening above the psychological level of 2,000. The index moved slightly higher throughout the first half of the month before selling off to close the month down about 1.5%. Despite a negative September, the S&P 500 closed the quarter with a gain of over 1%, marking the 7th quarter in a row of gains. September was a fairly busy month of economic and central bank news, with both the ECB, European Central Bank, and Fed announcing much anticipated policy changes. At the beginning of the month, the ECB announced additional steps aimed at promoting growth in Europe, including cutting key interest rates and announcing a bond purchase program. While the ECB is focused on stimulating growth, the Fed showed continued confidence in the trajectory of the U.S. economy by announcing their intention of completing any additional bond purchases in October. As always, the Fed meeting and subsequent meeting minutes were fully dissected, including the Fed's dots, which show when Fed officials forecast a rate increase. Many market pundits expect the first rate hikes to come sometime in mid to late 2015. In addition to central bank moves, we saw many other key headlines, such as strong economic data in the U.S., not so strong economic data in Europe, the continuation of various geopolitical conflicts around the globe, the Scottish independence referendum, escalation of the Ebola virus, and declining oil prices. With all the central bank action, the 10-year U.S. Treasury yield had a volatile month. It closed August at 2.35%, rose all the way to 2.63% before closing the month back at 2.52. Moving into October, we expect markets to focus on fundamental data as the third quarter earnings season is set to kick off. We find the first 9 months of 2014 mostly in line with our 2014 market outlook. As a reminder, you can view our outlook at our YouTube channel. For more information about Texas Legacy Wealth Management, you can contact us via phone, email, or feel free to visit our website. We would also like to remind you to follow us on Twitter and like us on Facebook. Thank you.